In this video, I'm going to show you how to backtest on Traders Casa. So the first step is to go and create your free account and then click on backtest on the left side. Now from here, we just have to create a new session, so you can simply create by clicking the new session button. Then you just have to enter the session name, the starting balance. You're gonna have to select your pair that you want to backtest, then pick a date. Then after that, simply click on save and then you'll have your session. Now simply click on the play button and it will open that day of this pair that you chose, and you can simply backtest here. So we can basically draw our indicators, we can test out strategies, and if you want to open a position to see if it's working or not, you just have to click on open position at the top and then here enter all the details like the entry price, set the take profit and stop loss, the risk percentage, the risk amount, and then click on save, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.